Hello everyone, how are you all doing? It's the new month and I say happy new month to you. So on today's video, I stopped by to react on a video. So there's this prayer that goes on every morning on YouTube, on Facebook, on all social media network. By the way, my name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. So there is this prayer that goes on every morning. You should know it by now. If you don't know it, I don't know where you are. It's called the NSPPD. And during that prayer section, there are usually testimonies. So it's been a while that I've not joined. So today I just decided to join, second half of the year. And it's very necessary to revamp our prayer lives. It's not like I don't pray. I pray a lot. I do my spiritual engagement and activities. But going to NSPPD is different, because when you go to that platform, you'll be forced to pray like never before. Some prayer points will come up that you would normally not generate yourself. So today I went there and I was there with praying firebrand prayers like normal now, So during the testimony time, there was this testimony that got my attention. That's why I want to talk about it. And that testimony centered around village people. Who are the village people? Who is the village person? Do you even believe in village people? Do you believe they exist? Personally, I think they exist. Village people exist. And village people don't necessarily mean people in your village, in your origin, where they born your papa, born your mama. No. Village people can be in the diaspora. It could be on the internet. It can be anywhere. But particularly this one I want to talk about was village people in the real village, in village sense. There was this woman. She was working in the diaspora. She was working outside Nigeria as a chef, and that tells you that she could cook. She could do everything that has to do with cooking. This woman said she just woke up suddenly. It was a testimony on NSPPD platform. I'm going to leave you to listen to the testimony after a while, but the summary of it was that the woman was craving for village food, village that was cooked in her hometown. She was craving for that food for the longest time, and then she had to take a drastic motion and to come back to Nigeria and all that. But the beauty of it all was that she was delivered. But I will leave you to watch that video, because the Bible says we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities and power that lives in high places. So it's important to pray. It's important to be prayerful. Sometimes you can realize that you are not praying, your prayer life is going down. It's very necessary to revamp it, because but let me leave you to watch this testimony first, then I'll come back to wrap up the video. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not, even though as we go in to watch the video.
I was working in Indian as a chef, and 2020 I started having craving of village food, my village food. So I started thinking of different type of village food. So I told my colleagues that I'm craving for village food, I want to go back. They said your work is not over, why you want to go back? So I just speak it like that. Then after next week I said I want to go, and my roommate was, you are not going anywhere, your work is not over. We started a fight. So they were dragging me that, why do you want to go? I said I want to go. So I went to the immigration, I went everywhere on their behalf. I went to resign. I told them I'm coming to Nigeria. So I booked my flight. When I got to Lagos airport, something cleared out of my eyes, and I pulled my wig. I was like, where is this place? Then people, they were like, welcome to Nigeria, welcome to Nigeria. Then I called. They said I'm in Nigeria. So they were asking me, are you deported? I said, no, I showed my card. They said I'm not deported. So when I got home, I didn't even tell my family member. When they saw me at the gate, they run back. They said, who is this? I said, I'm the one. They said, how? What happened? I said, nothing. So I started. I said, okay, let me try and go back again. I could not go back. Then I said, my friend said, okay, apply for another country, Germany. I applied. It didn't work out. I said, let me start my chef work like that in Benin City. I opened a restaurant. And when I opened a restaurant, after 6 months, I told them that the business is not working. I don't want. I closed it. My shop rent has not expired. I just locked. Still now my things are there. So I said, okay, maybe Benin is not working. Let me relocate to Abuja. I came to Abuja 2022. So I opened a mini supermarket. Exactly 6 months ago, I closed it. I called people, I said, take the shop. I didn't even take anything out of it. And my husband was like, what is wrong with you? Every night I will wake up, I'll be crying. I even started drinking alcohol. I was depressed, I was drinking alcohol. One night, my husband does not drink alcohol. One night, he saw me with one bottle. He said, what are you doing? He was crying. I said, I'm tired of everything. If not because of you and our baby, I'm just looking at two people on the bed. I wanted to just die. He said, no. He stood that night and he was there. He said he was just there till morning. So, fast forward to last month, May. My friend in Russia called me and said, I'm coming to Nigeria and I'm coming to your house. I was shouting. I said, really? He said, yes. I said, okay, come. So when she came on the 28th, I went to pick her at the airport. So when we got home, everybody was just excited as normal. On the 29th, she just woke up. I was hurrying. He said, I want to join SPPD. Although she was sending it for me, I declined. So when she opened it, she was praying. She said, come and join. I said, I believe me. He said, come and join. So Papa now declared, take your visa. His church now said, take your visa. I said, which visa? I didn't do for anything. I believe me. So after everything, he said, oh yeah, come and listen to this one. Now come and see testimony. I said, they do testimony. They say yes. I said, okay, let's listen. We listen to this testimony. As I was listening to the testimony, the two persons that shared their testimony, it built my faith. I said, okay, let me connect. Early in the morning, I wake her up on the 30th. I said, yeah, let's NSPP dinner. He said, wait, they used to sing a national anthem. So I joined. We were praying. After 3 days, my friend now said, let me call a friend over there. So he called the visa agent and said, let me apply that I'm a chef, that I know how to cook well. So he applied one of all these restaurants there. So when they applied, he said, let me scan my international passport. I scanned it. After 3 days again, I know Papa will always say, how will you shout? So she was looking at me and smiling. We were looking at me, I was smiling. And said, how will you shout? Immediately, I was just shouting. I don't know what I'm shouting for, but I was just shouting. Then she said, the company has approved you and they have sent you invitation letter. I said, just recently, is that how they are fast? He said, what God cannot do does not exist. Getting to the embassy for my interview, they said my flight ticket has been cancelled. So the man was just telling me with fear, was that they have cancelled it. I said, nothing broken, nothing missing. What God cannot do does not exist. And that moment, I was just seeing as if our Papa used to speak in tongues. We were just entering my ear. So the guy was not like, I'm not joking, no. I said, nothing missing, nothing broken. Book it again. And when they book it, I went in. And really, it was approved. Immediately, the guy said they have been trying it, so it didn't work. But immediately, I said, nothing broken, nothing missing. He booked it. So I went inside. The white man saw me and started smiling. So I was smiling too. He just asked me a few questions, and that was it. When I came out, my friend was happy. He said, no. I said, yes. Nothing broken, nothing missing. I told you before. So on Thursday morning, they said I should come. Behold, when I got there, my visa was given to me. And the funniest part was, that very Thursday, Papa said, before 6 o'clock, that within 24 hours, I will be.
So can you see what prayer can do? That woman was delivered just by praying and being at the right place at the right time. So there are so many things that are also going on in our lives that could be as a result of village people. So I just want to encourage you as you go into the month, try and be prayerful, try and connect to God like never before, and make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You know, I just thought to do this because it was really heavy in my heart, and it made me start thinking about so many things. So till I see you all in my next video, it's your girl Esther, and this is Esther's Chronicles TV, all the way from Zurich, Switzerland. I love you all. Catch you some other time. Happy new month. Wishing you the best that is yet to come in your life. God bless you. Bye.